HTML Basics. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's a set of tags and rules for developing web pages and displaying information in a browser. Each HTML tag has a different purpose. A basic HTML shell contains the following: opening and closing HTML tags. This tells the browser that the code within the tags is HTML. Within the HTML tags are the head and the body tags. The head of an HTML page will contain information that will be behind the scenes, such as links to scripts and style sheets, meta information for search engines, or various other code to be used in the page but not viewable in a browser. Title tags are placed within the head of the document. Title tags should be used to tell viewers and search engines what is featured on the page. The content that will be viewable in a browser will be put in between the body tags. So this is the very basics of an HTML page structure. However, since technology has changed, this won't cut it for modern web design. You will need to include some additional information, including the doc type and additional piece of meta information within the head of the document. The doc type declaration should be the very first thing in an HTML document, just before the HTML opening tag. The doc type declaration is not an HTML tag. It is an instruction to the web browser about what version of the markup language the page is written in. The doc type specifies the rules for the markup language so that browsers can render the content correctly. Transitional and strict are the most common. Depending on your needs, you may choose one over the other. Strict has a better chance of rendering correctly on multiple browsers and viewing sources, such as someone's PC versus a mobile device. And the extra meta attribute simply defines the character set for an HTML document. Now, you don't need to know what all this means, just know that this is the basic structure for an HTML web page. Most web editors set this up by default when creating a new document.